What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DEVINTAGE, man, back with another video, and today I'm gonna be doing my top 5 Air Jordans in my collection. To this day, I feel like this list changes a lot, especially when you get a whole bunch of these new grills that come out every year. You know, last year we got the Concord Elevens again, and the year before that was the Concords, and so on and so forth. And who knows what we're getting this year? The list might change again. I know top 10 will be too crazy, it'll be a long video because I have probably a little bit of talking about each one of the shoes. So I narrowed it down to my top 5 Air Jordans in my collection. I think this is the first time I ever have done this type of video. Usually it's my top 5 sneakers, but today I'm going to be showing you guys my top 5 Air Jordans in my collection. This is a personal opinion. It's not like the most hyped shoes. It's just my personal top 5 in my collection. And you guys can kind of tell these shoes that are my top 5 are like very near dead stock because I only wear them very minimum times, man. And maybe most of them were just worn for their own feet. So this is like more of the shoes that I want to keep very near dead stock if possible, if the list changes. But I want to show you guys my top 5 today, man. And while we're doing this video, you guys can let me know your top 5 Air Jordans in your collection in the comment section below. Let's get some engagement going in the comment section. And tomorrow we'll be doing the how to cop the Adidas Yeezy Yeshas, I think they call Yeshayas or whatever they call. They look just like the Landmarks mixed with the Cloud Whites mixed with the Statics. There's just a lot going on with Yeezy, Kanye. A lot of colorways are looking very similar. I'm trying to branch off into like the Yeezy 700 V3s. I want the all black joints. I want the pair that dropped a while back. So yeah, you guys definitely want to see a couple of V3s in the collection this year in 2020. So with all that being said, make sure you follow me over on Instagram at DEVINTAGE. The link will be in the description box below. As always, like this video if you have not liked it already. You know, the goal for every video is 100 likes. And if you guys want to keep seeing dope content, you want to see what's in my collection and stuff like that, you definitely got to smash that like button and subscribe if you have not subscribed to the channel already. We're trying to hit that 30K before the summer. Put some more content out for you guys so you can enjoy, share, and help the channel grow. So with all that being said, let's jump right into my top 5 Air Jordans in my collection, man. Let's get it. All right, so this list is not in order at all. Maybe I keep my favorite shoe in the collection at number 1, but from 5 to 2 or 2 to 5, they will not be in order. So the first shoe in my top 5 is the Concord Elevens, man. Very dope shoe. Got a little story with this one, man. I got this shoe in Germany. This is like one of my favorite pickups while I was in Germany. I camped out for it. I did a live stream and it was like 50 plus people out there, and I got these for under retail, man. I wish I could have doubled up, but there was so many people out there that I couldn't. And like I said, most of my shoes are DS, especially the ones that's in my top 5, top 10 range, because I still do not have another pair of Concords. I will very soon, man, but check them out, Concord Elevens. I know the shoe is probably in a lot of y'all's top 5 right now. You guys let me know, like I said, in the comment section below. But one of my favorite shoes in the collection, man. Very simple colorway, pretty much goes with a lot of things, and this shoe is just so OG, so iconic. You just gotta have a pair in the collection, man. So this is the first shoe in my top 5 Air Jordans in my collection, man. You guys let me know where you rank these in your top 5 right now. Let's get into the next shoe. All right, so for the next shoe in my top 5, man, it has to be the Air Jordan 13 Doernbechers, man. If you guys do not know, when I first started my channel, I did the Keymaster. You put like $5 in there, you get 5 chances to win a shoe. And I got this shoe for $5, man. I got it on my 5th try on my $5 bill. One shoe came out. It came with like a little slip in there. I sent Kicklahoma my address and stuff, and they sent me the other shoe, and I got these things for $5, man, pretty much for free. You know what I'm saying? This shoe was very dope. It holds a little bit of sentimental value because I did get it for free. You guys, please go check out that video I dropped 2 years ago when I first got this shoe. I was going crazy because I couldn't believe it. It's like my first time, you know, getting the shoes and stuff like that, and I got the shoe pretty much for free, man. Very dope. This is my favorite Doernbecher in my collection. I got 3 other Doernbechers in my collection, but this one by far is my favorite. And it was the cheapest one I got, man. I got it for $5, man. So I'm about to get into my next shoe. You guys let me know how you feel about this one. Should it be in a top 5 Jordan collection? Let's get into the next one. All right, guys, so like I said, this shoe probably wouldn't have been in my top 5 a year ago, but they dropped last year, and it worked its way all the way up into my top 5 Jordans in my collection. I was waiting for the shoe for so long. The Cool Gray 4s. I actually got 2 pairs. I ended up giving my little brother a pair of these Cool Grays, you know, get them fresh for school. And we gave a pair away. A couple of the YouTubers that I did a collab giveaway on, and I was happy to give a pair away to our supporters, man. So these shoes are very dope to me. I feel like this is one of the most anticipated but slept on shoe at the same time of 2019. And of course, this one was in my top 10 pickups of 2019, man. So one of my favorite Air Jordans in my collection. Like I said, worked this way up to the top 5. You guys let me know how you feel about these Cool Grays, and we're gonna get into this next shoe, man. Let's get it. All right, guys, so this shoe released last year. I know you guys probably like, when he gonna show the Bread Lemons, man? Here you have it. Not my favorite Air Jordan in my collection. You guys are gonna see a lot of you guys probably already know what it is. You guys can comment and guess down below. But the Bred 11s, of course, has to be in my top 5, man. Very dope shoe. I went crazy over this shoe last year. Got 3 pairs of these joints, I believe. And I ended up selling one of the shoes on StockX. I showed you guys, how to sell on StockX. If you have not checked that video out, go check it out. Dropped that one last week. A lot of information in that video. It would definitely help you guys out, man. But I wish they would have stitched 2-3 in the back. They didn't. But the reason this is in my top 5, sentimental value, I guess you could say, because when this shoe released in 2012, I could not get it at all. I was like, man, I really want that shoe. I got my own job, I got my own money. I was like, man, I'm definitely getting me a pair of Bred 11s. And I ended up getting a pair of the 2012 versions a while back, but then I had to go crazy with these and caught about 2-3 of these things, you know what I'm saying? So very dope shoe, holds a lot of value to me. And I feel like this is in a lot of people's top 5 as well, man. So while that being said, let's jump into my favorite Air Jordan in my collection right now, man. Let's get it. All right, guys, so a lot of you probably already know what my favorite Jordan in my collection is, and it is the Carmine 6. Check them out. One of my favorite shoes ever. I got this shoe when I graduated back in 2014 from high school, and I barely got it. The employee let me use a military discount. I wasn't in the military, but my homeboy was, and he let me use it. He was like, I'm not supposed to do this, especially on Jordan releases, but he did. I pretty much used all my graduation money to get me these Carmine 6s. I ended up selling them like 2 times. I had to shoot. This is my 3rd time having the Carmine 6. But the last time I got them, I was like, these are never going anywhere again. Hopefully they release another pair of Carmines this year. Who knows? But this one by far is my favorite Air Jordan in my collection, man. All right, I appreciate everybody for tuning in and checking out my top 5 Air Jordans in my collection. Like I said, you guys let me know right now in the comment section below, what are your top 5 Air Jordans in your collection. And if you want to see some other top 5s in my collection, man, you guys let me know, give me some ideas, and I would definitely drop that video for y'all, man. Make sure I hit the like button right now. Subscribe if you have not subscribed already, and hit that notification bell for your boy. And let me know if y'all want to see another After Hours live right now in the comment section below as well. If you have not followed me over on Instagram yet, please go follow me at The Vintage World. It will be linked down below. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.